Welcome back to my channel. So today I'm gonna do a little cook with me. I just got back home from doing errands and just visiting my sister, and I'm gonna try or attempt to cook for my boyfriend. Hopefully I do a good job because I have no idea how to cook certain things. Thank God I got a boyfriend that knows how to cook better than I do, but still I should learn how to cook eventually. I did want to sign up for those cooking things that it was like they send you, what is it, like fresh something. Like I want to do that and see if I can learn how to cook from doing that, because I feel like I overwhelm myself if I buy certain things that I don't need. And I'm sorry if there's noise in the background. I opened the door to my little patio because it's so hot in here and I don't think the air is working here, so that sucks. But if you guys want to keep and see how I succeed or I failed at cooking, just keep on watching. So I'm closing the door to my patio because it's so loud and I can't take it, so I just have to close it because I have to cook. All right, let's do this. All right, I'm standing you guys right here. Is that a good angle? Yeah, I think it's a good angle. Okay, so first thing I'm gonna do is probably get a drink, because if I failed, at least I can say I had a good drink. Okay, so I'm going to drink Chardonnay, open a bottle of wine. We don't really have wine in my house, so I have to go buy this a little before, because the only thing we have is liquor, like, you know, bourbon, scotch. We also have tequila, rum, but we don't have any wines. I don't know why. We're not wine drinkers, but I'm being a wine drinker from now on because I have stomach issues sometimes. So the only thing that literally tolerates my stomach is wine. So I'm going to do that, and if I can find wine over. So I'm gonna do that real quickly. I love my wine glasses. They're like square. That makes sense. I gotta make sure I have some left for the recipe. This all cheers, guys. It's not bad. I love Chardonnay. I don't like Pinot Grigio. I haven't tried Sauvignon Blanc. Maybe I like that one. The only reason I like Chardonnay is because my sister drinks it all the time, so I love that. So I'm going to start cooking, and the first thing I'm going to do is cut up the vegetables for the spring roll wrap, or veggie rolls, I don't know, I call it. So this is the wraps I got, and you just have to place them in warm water for 15 seconds, and then you fill them up, fold the sides, and then you can fry them. So I'm gonna do that, and I'm also gonna do chicken française, which I find it very odd because my boyfriend can't do that, but that's the only dish I could cook. Maybe because it's my favorite dish. I just have two favorite dishes. It's either chicken française or the Colombian dish, what is it, bandeja paisa. My two favorite dishes of all time. I could die eating them all the time, so I love them. Even though I'm Ecuadorian, I don't like anything from Ecuador. Well, I like some things, but you know, I work with what I have right now. So I'm going to show you guys what I'm gonna start working with, and I'm gonna show you. All right, so I'm gonna start with squash, carrots, and I'm gonna cut them in little pieces and then try to boil them so I can put them in the wrap right here. And then I also have the chicken just sitting there while I'm waiting for my boyfriend to text me and let me know what time he's coming home, because chicken cooks faster than I usually know. Then I'm also gonna get the pasta, which I should get now. I don't know what kind of pasta I'm gonna use. We have our pantry, not pantry, our cabinet full of food, because my boyfriend was ready for the epidemic, you know, epidemic, what is epidemic? So he was ready with all this food. I just don't know what kind of pasta I'm gonna get right now. Probably, I don't know if I should do spaghetti or lasagna. Let me see. I might do a spaghetti because we have a lot of spaghetti. So I'm just gonna do spaghetti for right now because there's a lot of pasta. So I'm going to do this one right here, and I'm gonna do that a little later because pasta cooks pretty much really quick. So I'm going to do that. So let's start cutting our vegetables and see how that works out for us. Alright, so I already cooked the vegetables for the spring roll wraps, and I'm going to do the chicken. Probably just season it with pepper and salt because that's what I'm gonna do. For chicken princess, because that's what I'm doing, you have to batter them. Is that word battered? I don't know. But you gotta put flour into them and egg yolk and all these things. But I don't want to do that because that's a lot of work. So I'm just gonna literally just grill it like that and just cut it into little pieces and then just put it over spaghetti. I'm gonna wait for the spaghetti because my boyfriend likes it al dente. It was like a little bit not too cooked. So I'm gonna do that. I like it all the way cooked, so I'm probably gonna do that when he texts me that he's coming. And I'm gonna cook that up, and I have the carrots cooking right now. The squash is over there. I was gonna say zucchini. The squash is right there, and then I'm gonna preparate the chicken and just let it sit for probably like 10 minutes. Like I said, I don't know what I'm doing. And then I'm gonna do the sauce for the chicken princess with the lemon and butter and everything else. So yeah, I'm gonna do that. So just keep watching. Okay, that didn't work at all. They all stuck together. So I'm guessing you had to put them individually, but they all stuck together. The only one I did was this one. And it looks so cute. But besides that, I didn't do anything. So the veggies are still here. So I'm just gonna put them in the pasta because I have no idea what else to do. But like I said, I suck at cooking. Oh my god, I'm embarrassed. But hopefully my boyfriend texts me and he says he's coming home soon, and I'm gonna do that. Alright guys, so I finished cooking. The spring rolls did not work out. I messed it up, so I had to throw everything out pretty much. There was one little one, like right here, that I just made it work. This one right here. But that's the only one I made it work. And everything else, I did chicken fritters my way, I guess. That's my plate, that's his plate. But we're gonna just enjoy this meal, which hopefully is good. I'm praying it's good because that's my way of cooking. But hopefully you guys enjoyed this video. Just leave a comment below what you want to see next. And until next time, guys, mwah, besos.